Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to show your gender on your Facebook page using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step, making it super simple to update your profile and let your friends know how you identify. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select your name or the See Your Profile option to go directly to your personal page. Now, you're on your profile page. Take a look at the menu under your cover photo. You'll see several tabs like Posts, About, Friends, and more. Click on the About tab. This section contains all your basic information, including your contact details, work and education, and of course, your gender. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Gender. Next to it, you'll notice a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this icon to open the editing options for your gender information. A new window will pop up, allowing you to select or update your gender. Here's the important part. To make your gender visible on your timeline, look for the checkbox that says Show on my timeline. Make sure this box is checked. This ensures your gender will appear on your public profile for others to see. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom. This will update your profile with your chosen gender and display it on your timeline. And that's it. You've just updated your gender on Facebook and made it visible for everyone to see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Facebook and other social media platforms.